What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Zeekr 009 in this amazing white color. As you can see, I love this unit because the brighter the color, the bigger the car looks. Now let's take a walk around to show you guys how the physical appearance of this car on the exterior looks like before we hop right in to the interior. Now, how square shaped this car is with a lot of finishing in white, some chrome happening all over the place together with the interior, which is in black. My personal favorite, easier to maintain. But let's take a look, guys. So we'll start off with the front. Love the badging, how it's white together with the car as well. Amazing, right? Not chrome, not black, white. Nice. You got your daytime running lights on the left right here. We will turn on these lights shortly later for you guys to have a look at. Your main LED headlights, your main headlights are around here, which is also LED, yep. Chrome lining down here. You got some opening for the air to flow through over there. And also chrome lining at the bottom here, all the way to the other side. Now take a look at the grille. The grille also has these chrome stuff happening all over the place. Very futuristic, amazing looking. You got your 360 camera at the front down here. You got your number plate holder, and you got your sensors located all over the place. Anything with the circle dot, those are all your sensors located everywhere. Beautiful. Check out the front hood. You got these design shaped front hood that is happening right here. Looks really cool, really nice. Amazing layout. Love what I see. Now let's move on to the wheels. The white color unit comes in these wheels, including the black and the green. But yeah, 255 50 R19, guys. Take a look. 255 50 R19. Beautifully designed wheel, multi-spoke. I love how there's no grooves here, so it's easier to clean, right? And I like this Zeekr cap, super huge and nice. Now to chabot the wheels, to take it off, of course you gotta remove this. Amazing layout. So solid disc brakes at the back, brake calipers are right there. So Pirelli tires they're using. You got your camera located right here. You got your camera located right here, including right here as well. So amazing, right? Got some black finishing right here, over here, including the white covers that we have on this side. Now, let's move to the door handles. Got some chrome finishing. Let's open up the doors. Let's take a look. Got some chrome lining even at the bottom as well, all the way that leads to the other side. So amazing touch. Now let's take a look at the doors. You got this ambient lighting right here, door handles over here. This is for anti-fog, in case the aircon gets too cold and whatnot. Stitching on this piece right here. This should be your speakers also, together with this. Yamaha speakers, compartment storage. Got some shiny finish for the door side, window to wind up and wind down, handle to hold. Ambient lighting should be located inside here. It's a beautiful touch, I love it. Got some Napa leather finish all over the place. So you got your Zeekr wording down here on the plate, black carpets. Check out the seats. Now the seats look absolutely soft and nice. There are speakers built into the headrest. The black unit is awesome, guys. Check out the finishing of the seats, the texture, how it looks. Fantastic. So let's have a seat on the inside right here and check out how amazing this car actually looks and feels, guys. Check it out. Amazing layout. So ambient lighting is underneath right here, the dashboard. You got your amazing finish design for the dashboard as well. You got your Yamaha speakers right there. This dashboard has some stitching all the way it goes. Beautiful light design. Amazing screen size. Air vents down here. All your settings are here, but we will turn on the light shortly in a while more. Wireless charging together with your NFC card is located here. Cup holders for you to store your cup. And also you got your gear. Shift, P, hazard light. So let's move on to this side right here. Then we got your remote to control the TV, which is, the screen which is located right up there. So we will talk about that in a while more. But Type-C charging over here. Amazing layout. So soft close doors are available. You get your seat belts in black. So let's take a look at how I'm sitting in. Comfortable. The seats are super comfortable. You got to be here to feel it for yourselves and test drive the car if you need to. but it's a very, very comfortable chair. Now let's get down. Easier to get down because steps are not too high. Let's open up the back. So the Zeekr wording at the door side also super amazing. So sorry about that, should pull a bit harder. There you go. And check out how that opens up. Beautiful light. So these are also your seat adjustments. You can push it forward, push it backward for your backrest if you want to push it back to get into the rear seats. Now we will talk about the rear seats in a while more. But check out the ambient lighting at the behind part of the front passenger seat. Awesome. Check out the cup holders, also got those lightings on the inside. Amazing. Now, amazing speakers that we have right here. To close the door also is here, open up the door is here. You can even do this, you can even pull this over here. I'll do that in a while more. Handles to hold to get down. So, amazing layout. Right now I'm sitting comfortably again here, enjoy my seat. Very nice. So, this I can push it back. Now as you can see, we got memory seats number 1, number 2. We got some reclining of the seats over here. You got your voiceover command over here. You got heated and cooling ventilating seats, and also you get all sorts of different kind of massage features if you roll it down here. These ones also are for the leg rest that we see right here. So as you can see, if I push it forward, it just goes up and it's comfortably looking super cool, guys. I can rest my leg, very nicely done. There's some nice padding here, very nice indeed. So this is me sitting comfortably. Now I can lower down the screen if I wish to. Screen will be lowered down and it will turn on automatically for me to be either having a call or things like that. But very cool, man. Very, very cool and nice. I love it. So you got some other adjustments right here for you to play around with. The backrest if you wish to fold it back up, I believe. And also these ones down here to move up, to move down, all sorts of things happening right here. Amazing. When you're done with it, you gotta press it, push it forward so it seals it without having to be moving around. So now, this side, cup holders. Before that, let's put my leg down. It's a bit too, yeah, let's put it down. So, yeah. Again, you got your other storage compartments down here, which we will talk about in a while more. But let's get to this side right first. Open up this part. You got your, check this out, man, dude. For you to keep your laptop, iPad perhaps, and do some work here. I love how stable and solid it is, man. The finishing, superb. You can absolutely feel the quality when you take this out. So, amazing work. Cup holders on your right. So let's move to the down part right here. If I were to do this, it opens up. Fridge for you to keep your cold drink. You have your amazing charging Type-C ports here for you to charge your phone. Air vents located right there. Amazing ambient lighting once again. Beautiful screen, speaker, lights. Amazing way. Amazing way, seriously. So the back part of the roof, we will open that up shortly later. But in the meantime, let's check out. If I were to close this door, how does that look like? Amazing, right? Check out the lights, man, dude. Fantastic, fantastic indeed. So you even got your shades and whatnot happening all over the place. But yeah, I love how this thing is. So pull that down. You can actually lock it if you wish to. So you know, it doesn't have to be so bright with all the other light coming in. But you have other settings that you can actually choose. You know, see, you can swipe, all sorts of things happening, massaging features and whatnot. So you can open up the windows if you wish to. Amazing layout. Push that back up. So it's all touch and it's fantastic. The door handles do like that. Pushes back, open. So I love the way how this car is, man. It's fantastic. So let's now get down from the car and let's push the seat forward. So check that out, man. Check that out. Can you imagine you have a super fantastic car that you could be cruising around in and having all this kind of stuff happening right here, right now. So the best way to actually feel it is for you to be present here at the place, at Zeekr Sunway. So this is me sitting comfortably at the rear seats, as you can see. It's fantastic. I love this so much. I got some shade happening over here. I can actually lift it up if I don't wish to have it. Totally up to me. Type-C charging, in case I want to charge my phone, I can slot it right here. Very well thought out. You got your on and off for your aircon right here. If you wish for the fan right there to be moving around so it blows air everywhere, you can do that. Cup holder, very small and mini one, but I believe it's secure enough to hold stuff. Very good. And check out the ambient lighting at the roof. This is an amazing glass roof. I will go up to the front and open it up for you in a while more, but before that, let's move the chair back. Check it out, man, dude. This is me sitting comfortably and amazing way. I love it. I love it. So it's beautiful, very soft, and very nice to be actually here. So let's move it back to the front. And oh, sorry, this is the button for the front. And let's move it and let's check it out. How comfortably it moves forward without me actually putting effort to move this and move that. So let's get down. But before that, ambient lighting, very nicely done. Got very nice texture. The finishing of the leather, as I mentioned, Napa leather, super soft and nice. You got your Yamaha speakers over here. You got it right there. So it gives you the absolutely fantastic surround sound. So let's see if we can open up the roof. So let's move that a little bit back. Let's check that out. So, oh, sorry, from even here. So I can open up this shade if I wish to. And I believe I can open up even more for that shade. So for that shade is located right here on the glass. Keep forgetting. There you go. So I can choose to swipe it and stop it halfway even here, and you realize that it will just stop halfway. Now, if I were to drag this fully to the back, it just goes fully to the back. Now, let's check that out again. Have a seat at the rear. Take a look at how wide this thing looks. Very nice. Very, very spacious indeed. Amazing screen right there for you to see some stuff. You got your camera located right here as well. So very, 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 very good. Now, that's for the black interior with all the seats moved in that particular direction, right? Check it out. Amazing space, man. So let's move to the rear. Now you got some chrome lining on the sides right here. Let's check out the rear boot. Fantastic. Amazing boot space storage that we have. You can even fold down the rear seats if you wish to. Let's try that. And boom. So we got the left one folded, the right one we shall leave it open just to show you guys what is possible. Seat belts available for the third row seats. Amazing layout. Open that up. Warning triangle cap right there. Amazing compartment storage. You got place to charge if you wish to. Cool, man. So another hook right here to hang some stuff. Very, very nice. So let's pull that back. And yeah, amazing, amazing. So beautiful compartment. Let's close the rear. Let's check it out, man. So number plate holder, you got your Zeekr wording right there. Now your daytime running lights are located right here, but we will turn on the light shortly to show you guys. But 009 badging is on your right. You got your camera located down here. Fantastic, man. So let's turn on the lights, show you guys. But before that, the rear tires, right? You have Pirelli tires on, and also you have them in tire sizes 225, 50, R19. So 19-inch wheels again, solid disc brake at the back. You got your brake calipers over there, and then this is the Zeekr center wheel cap. So let's open up. Let's get into the driver's seat first. You guys can get a better feel of what's actually happening right now. before we move to the exterior part to show you guys the lights. So check out the center gear again, DNRP hazard lights. You got your wireless charging together with your NFC card. You can put it there to drive. This sort of like a sensor to keep an eye on your face. Amazing Napa leather steering wheel. I love how it's shaped in this kind of like beautiful shape, man. I love all the steerings that have the flat bottom, very nice. Now cruise control, I believe this is what it is for your lane keeping assist. If I'm not mistaken, it's for cancelling it. Some settings for you to adjust on the screen. This is also same with other switches to toggle. Ambient lighting on this side. You got your wipers and whatnot on this side. You got your lighting on this side. So yeah, let's now turn on the lights. The daytime running lights are on, I believe. If not, we can just go to here. We can go to lighting, and yeah, these should be the exterior. And we shall, yeah, check it out, man. Dude, there are a lot of other things here happening. Amazing. So as you can see, daytime running lights are on. Roll it off, daytime running lights are off. If I were to on the main headlights, I believe it should be somewhere happening right there, maybe, perhaps. There must be another way. But anyways, yeah. Let's check it out again. Charging, exterior, interior lighting, approach lights and whatnot. So cool. So maybe the car needs to be moving in order for the main headlights to be on, because most of the time it's just going to be in auto. But yeah, let's check out the daytime running lights, and then we can turn on the hazard lights in a while more. But before that, wait a minute. This is the driver's seat. It's me sitting down comfortably right here. And I forgot to tell you guys, but even there's a seat right here to adjust, the buttons to move the chair forward for the right side. So that's kind of cool, man. So before that, let's also find a way to, yeah, check out the door side right here. So you got your window adjustments happening on this side. You got your lock unlock happening over here. You can even lower down the seats if you wish to over this side. You got your pedals right there in black. You got some storage happening down there as well. You can keep some stuff. And even you got some storage happening here, which I mentioned earlier. Cool, man. Finishing is awesome. Black seat belts, very nice indeed. Steering wheel once again, sporty and clean looking Yamaha speakers over there. So let's take a look at the exterior. Oh, with the daytime running lights on, check that out, man, dude. Can you see how beautiful this is? This looks absolutely unique, man. Let's put the doors a little bit open, man. See how well this car looks. Looks like it's about to take flight. So I love how this exact unit looks. So it's beautiful in every way possible. Now let's turn on before that, let's check the back out. Amazing rear daytime running lights that we see. So you got these lines happening right here, goes all the way in, and then it's out here, goes all the way, and then come back down. So amazing look. Now let's turn on the hazard lights to show you guys what is happening. So signal turn indicators are located at the mirror. The whole LED that was white initially becomes yellow. Blinkers are all amazing. Now let's check out the rear. Check that out, man. Amazing car, beautiful car. So you have the turn indicators that are going from this side to this side. Amazing how it just waves, as you can see. Beautiful interior. Yeah. So let's turn that off. Turn the light off as well. Cool, man. So yeah, that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Zeekr cars, do head down to Sunway City, KL, where they have these cars on display. They have plenty more. They got the Zeekr X over there. They got the Zeekr 7X located at the back. They got another mineral green of the 009 located right there. So it's beautiful. And you guys got to be here to feel it and see it in person. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.